The next thing that I want to show us is how to use the camera option, okay, the camera tool to specify the positions of our image. For example, now that we have added all the images, okay, we have added 4 images. We can see as we select each and every one of it, you can see the preview from the timeline. And one thing we should pay attention to is this camera option. Okay, so this is a set camera current position. So if you are certain with this position of this image and you want to keep it here even while playing the video or the animation from the scratch, you can set this as the camera position. So to do that, you just select it. You can come all the way here and just click on this, and you can see it has been selected as the camera position. If you want to change it, you are free to clear the camera position from here. This is enable and disable over here. You can do the same also from here. You can just click on this to enable, or to view the camera's position. You can click on this and you can make it fixed at that position. So this is camera position. You can select each individual images and select the camera position to keep it at that position, or you can select multiple. For example, you can come to the timeline, select the first one, hold down the shift key, and then select the last one, and you can see all of them have been selected. And if you are certain this is the position you want to fit in all of them, you can just come over here and click the camera position, and it's going to snap all of them to that very position. So this is about how to use the camera tool in the canvas to make sure that you've snapped everything. So now when you start playing, you will see each and every one of them will maintain its same location while the images are being animated. Okay, so you can just come all the way here, and let's say we start playing from the beginning, and you can see this is the position of this first image, and it's going to take that position even while playing the video. Okay, so you can see the second one is going to maintain that very position that we have just put for it. Same way to the third one. It's going to be at that very position because that's where the camera position had been positioned. So just like so, it has just shown us the preview. So this is how to use the camera. Another tool that I want to introduce us to is the enable and disable tool over here, the hide element. You can see it over here. This is it. If you select an image, you can hide that particular image if you want by just clicking on this, and it's going to be hidden from the canvas. You can hide it or enable it, disable or enable it in the canvas. You may not want to delete it permanently, or you may not want to delete it from the canvas. Maybe you may need it along the way during the editing of the video, but you just want to temporarily disable it. So you can just use this I button to just disable or enable it as appropriate as a time or as a story unveils. Another thing is you can delete a particular image by just coming to this, select the image, and you can see the delete icon over here. So you can press delete, and it's going to pop up that this is going to remove selected element, and once you say yes, it's going to delete it. Okay, you can undo that as well, or you can press delete while you are selecting that particular element. You can press delete on your keyboard, and it's going to perform the same function. Okay, you just click on this and it's going to be deleted. So this is deleting. Once you select another element, you have another option down here, which is the lock element function. So once you click on this element is going to be locked at this position, and no changes is going to be applied to it. Once you lock a given element, you cannot change it. Okay, you can see you cannot change it. Nothing can be changed. This place is going to be the permanent position for it until you come back to the same element and unlock it. That is when you have the option to change different kind of things also from here. So you have now understood everything, the image and the camera option, as well as the properties of the image. So the next thing we are going to look at is how to add text into the canvas, how to bring in text into the canvas.